Just like that.
Heard that one.
That heard that one. Everybody heard that one. They probably heard that one up in Austin at the TCA office. Mm-hmm. There you go. There you go.
Okay.
There we go. Atta girl. Yes, ma'am. I got you. Uh-huh. There we go. Wow, you're going to make quite the impression. They love screamers, too.
Just like that. Good. Keep this leg straight. So I'm going to be contacting right where this PSIS joint is, right in through here. This was showing that was shorter. I'm just going to be pushing through. It already moves right there. All right. So we're going to do that one more time, just a little bit. Good. You all right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna contact this a little bit differently. Keep this. Drop this leg down a little bit. Drop it down. There you go. A little bit more flexible here. Then just relax. There we go. Good. On your back. All right. Good. So we're starting to move. Good. You're relaxing really well. Good. You okay? Good. We're gonna go on this side right through here. Good. I'm just gonna leave your head just like that. Good. And just relax. Awesome. Good. All right. I'm just gonna pull a little bit to open this rest part up. Now, go ahead and sit up for me.
That's what? See, I got you pinned in. You're not going anywhere now anyway. Okay, now keep your teeth together on this one. Just breathe through your nose. Just like that. Now you know why I call it ring dinger. You felt
Okay.
that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh yeah.
It's okay to cry. People either scream, cry, or laugh. I've had all reactions on this one because it's breaking loose fibrotic adhesions and scar tissue all the way up and down your spine. Let me have your neck.
Okay, I'm not sure I'm ready for that.
Yeah. Wiggle your left big toe. There you go. Okay, tilt right. Wiggle your left ear. There you go. Yeah, you get a little bit of a control freak, huh?
And right through here too. Yeah. So let's start with an upper back adjustment.
Okie dokie.
Deep breath in, breathe out. You're gonna feel a little bit of pressure. Good, relax. Nice.
Beautiful.
All right, lay on your left side facing away from me.
Okay.
Okay. All right, deep breath in, breathe out. You're gonna feel a little bit of pressure through the back. Nice. Turn over the other side.
It's my favorite.
Big bend, good. This arm up, perfect. Deep breath in, breathe out. You're gonna feel a little bit of pressure. Ooh, you got away from me on that one. There we go, good. Lay on your back.
Okay.
Nice and loose. Just let your leg relax and then give the leg a little pull, okay? Go.
Oh.
Did you hear that? I hope you
Jesus.
caught that on
That
camera.
was amazing.
That was awesome. All right, so next adjustment's gonna be in the mid-back. Bring the arms together. You're gonna feel a little bit of pressure in the back. Just kind of lay back. Good. There we go. Arms down. All right, let's check the neck. All right, so you're gonna feel a little bit of pressure here. Deep breath in, breathe out. Good, wiggle the toes. Nice. Another deep breath in, breathe out. Good. Bullseye. All right, go ahead and sit up.
Okay.
Okay, let your shoulders sink in here. Just let it all go back there.
That's what I need. That was a real good one.
So I'm gonna adjust this head first. Good.
Oh my god.
All right.
Yeah.
Good. And keep your head just a little bit straighter this way. There you go. So I'm going to be pushing down right on this scoliosis portion right here. Good. One more time here. I'm going to do that one more time. Good. It's going to twist this way. Good. Good. You all right? Relax a little bit more right here. Go this way. Let me check you real quick.
Same thing here. Another breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. Now you're back. Alright, so we're going to bend the top leg here. I'm going to scoot you forward towards the end of the table. We'll scoot your shoulders forward too. So now we're going to correct that SI joint on the right, that short leg. We're going to correct that here by adjusting the SI joint. So go ahead and take a deep breath in and out. Good. Just let it all sink in here. That's good. Lay on your back. Alright, hold your knees together. Don't let me pull them apart. Hold your knees together. Hold. Hold.
Oh my god.
Is there any tension there? And this is way down low at C7. So we're going to start off with that. Alright, so nice and loosey-goosey here. Just breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. And let your head completely sink into the table. We're just going to give this nice, gentle little push. There's one more just above that. Let this relax.
That feels so good.
Now we're going to do the right side, the upper cervical spine. Same thing, just let your whole body just kind of sink in, relax. Loosey-goosey, shoulders, neck, hips. Let it all go. Let it all drop in to the table. We'll just give this a little push just like that. Nice soft breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good, let it go. Let your head go. Let your shoulders go.
Oh god. I'm sorry.
Come in closer.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah. Come around this way. Good. On your back. I'm gonna lift this up a little bit. Good, don't help me, just relax a little bit more. Good.
Oh, that was good.
Now, on your side facing me. Go to the other side. And relax right here. Good. Sweet.
Okay, So this first adjustment here, you're going to feel a little bit of pressure here. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. Go. Same thing here, deep breath in, breathe out. Wiggle the toes. There we go. Awesome. Oh yeah, immediately. All right, go and sit up.